Ma'am, I have made it the poster and ma'am, I have also sent it to you.
Is that you, Adrika, saying that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you made it very nice. It was a wonderful poster. And I shared it in class 4th A also.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
you.
beta. Good afternoon. Now, children, I'll be sharing your link. Just wait for a minute.
Ma'am, for exam?
Yes, for exam. Class 4.
Ma'am, I have did the test that I will give again.
Which test? Beta,
Ma'am,
it is for those who have not given it. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
How many of you did not give your Hindi exam? Because you were not a part of the group? How many of you?
Good morning,
What
ma'am.
Summer. Good. It's morning time.
Ma'am, it's afternoon.
Then why are you saying good morning? Children, please let me know how many of you did not give your Hindi exam.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in zero period, they will conducting our exams.
No, only for those who did not give their exam.
Okay, ma'am.
When was your exam of Hindi? It was on 27th.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Patel, Mohammad Noor Alvi, Divyank Premi and Vedant. These 4 students did not give their exam, but Vedant has not joined today also. Why so? Let me just see. He has dropped a message in class group, but he has not come. Ma'am, send the link for test. So I have already sent. Maybe he's joining. Okay, we'll see to it. Children, let me look for the other link also, and then we'll begin our zero period. Okay?
Ma'am, we can do any work in zero period.
No, you are not supposed to do any work in zero period. I'll tell you what is to be done.
Can I complete my drawing that we
Which,
have given?
no, beta, drawing has to be done in the period it is supposed to be. So you are not doing your SST drawing in your zero period. Who takes your literature, Hindi literature? Payal ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Payal Negi, ma'am.
Okay. I can't see the link anywhere. Okay, I'll just message Payal ma'am. But Vedant, okay, Vedant, are you there in the class? Better just open this link. I have shared a link. Can you see?
Please send the link.
Okay, I'll resend it. Just open the link, one of you, and let me know if it is Hindi and literature and grammar both, or it is only grammar.
Ma'am, it is of Hindi grammar.
It is only of Hindi grammar.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, children, what about that Hindustan Olympiad? How many of you are participating in that?
Ma'am, I will tell you of the Olympiad tomorrow.
Yes, you must take part. How many of you are participating? I will say all of you to participate. You must not ignore these kind of opportunities.
Ma'am, it is compulsory to take a participate.
Yes, you must. It's not compulsory, but then you should not miss these things.
Ma'am, it will be online or ma'am offline?
Online.
Ma'am, in that what will happen?
Have you ever given any Olympiad before, beta?
No, ma'am, that's why I'm asking.
Ma'am,
See, Olympiad
Ma'am, we
is
have-
based on different subjects. Suppose you have Maths Olympiad, you have English Olympiad, Science Olympiad. So, whatever you are studying of your level, I'm not saying from your textbook, Olympiad is made on a very general, this thing. What should I say? On a very general basis. Like you are in 4th class, if you'll be attempting that Olympiad, you will get general questions according to your age and according to your syllabus. Many of the questions you will be knowing, many of them would be new for you, and it is, I think, MCQ based. The complete test is MCQ based. So it is a very good thing. You get certificates for that. So when this thing Hindustan is conducting this Olympiad, then I want all of you to participate in it. You get a lot of
we have to give
exposure
any
to
fees.
learn a lot of things, and you can get yourself enrolled in your choice of subject.
And
I
we have
think
to give any fee.
yes, 200 per subject. The fee is very nominal. It's just 200 for one subject. And
Ma'am, we can.
if you get good marks, if you get if you score really good this thing, so you have a big cash prizes for that. Just go to the site, just go to the link, click it and read it all. Okay? In front of your parents or anybody who can help you out in doing it.
Ma'am, we can take 2 subjects, 3 subjects.
Yes, you can take as many subjects as you want. Okay, children, now you need to just wait for a minute.
Ma'am, we can send at that craft activity till 4 o'clock.
Yes, you have to send it till 4 o'clock. Hello. Yes, what are you saying, Pratishtha?
Ma'am, I was saying that ma'am, we have to send this craft work on your personal number or on the group.
You can send it on the class group, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
And what we have to.
Yes, what you have to do, just wait, beta. I'm just sending the link of Hindi literature first, and then I'll tell you what is to be done.
Ma'am, can we do today's work of Hindi literature?
Today's work of Hindi literature, what does that mean?
Ma'am, what?
What do you mean by it? I didn't get it.
Ma'am, that ma'am has sent question answers of chapter. Ma'am, can we do?
Afraz, why have you attended the zero period then? When you want to do things of your choice, then do it. Be offline and do things of your choice. Why are you asking me all this when you know that you're not supposed to do it? Okay, Vedant. Where is this Vedant now? It's a total mess. Just wait. Okay, children. Now, let's come back to the zero period. Now, what are we going to do today? Everybody just open your cameras.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratishtha, Akshat, Samar. Akshat is not there. I can just see the sky on his window. He has left the phone somewhere. Okay, so Samar. Samar, are you there? Samar is also not there in the class.
Ma'am, I am there.
Then open your camera. Okay. Now we have 2 boys and 2 girls in the class, right? Now let's have group discussion today. Now the topic is boys versus girls. Who are smarter and stronger? So I hope I need not clear which side you have to favor. Right? It is quite obvious girls will favor girls side and boys will favor boys side. So let's have this group discussion. One by one, you're going to keep your points, or all of you, if you have you ever seen any group discussion taking place? All are very people are very loud in keeping their points. People are very loud in keeping their conviction, giving conviction to their point. And
Ma'am, in debate.
yes, not debate, it's a group discussion. So your time starts now and you can start. Unmute yourself, children. Why do you feel boys are stronger? Boys. Why do you feel girls are not strong? Such a boring thing. Children, what is this? Go on. Yes, let me see how well you can fight for yourself. How well you can keep your
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am,
girls are
speak it out. The one who speaks first will be the winner. Now let me see who can. Yes, Samar, go on.
Ma'am, there are some things that girls cannot do and boys can do.
What are those things?
Those things.
Okay. Adrika, what do you have to say on this? Is there anything that boys can only do and girls can't do?
No, ma'am. Girls can also do everything if they want.
So now see, Summer has said his line. So you just on top of it say, no, Summer, it is not like that. Girls can do everything. Then Summer is going to keep his point. Don't you know what a group discussion is? How you fight to keep your point. How you fight to justify yourself. Like your point is correct and the other person who is speaking is absolutely wrong in front of you. You have to prove this thing. Okay, do you want 2 minutes or 5 minutes to think about all this? What points can you keep against each other? Do you need 3 minutes for this? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
take 3 minutes, write down a few points, and then you're going to keep them very strongly, okay, before each other. Is it fine?
Ma'am, send the link of literature.
Okay, beta. Now, 0 period students, please do this work. And Afraz, if you only have to play in front of the camera, beta, you can leave the class. Think of very good points, girls and boys. I'm sure you will come up with very strong points. Pratishtha, Adrika, Samar, Vedant, beta, I have shared the link. You can check in the chat box. See, you
Ma'am,
get
can we also put up the questions?
don't put up any question, just keep your point. Why you think girls are stronger and smarter than boys? Why do you think boys are foolish? And boys, why do you think that girls are foolish? Okay? So you have to fight for yourself, your gender. Vedant, you better again and again get disconnected from Zoom. So what you can do is you can just forward this link on your mother's phone or somewhere else.
Ma'am, boys do not want to study much.
Yes, you can add it. Then Summer will fight for this thing. Let him fight for his point. Yes, definitely. You can go on. You can speak anything that you feel is correct. Right, Summer?
No, ma'am. Boys also like to study.
Yes, Summer is one big example. He likes to study. So that is what I'm saying, na? You can.
But ma'am, most
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
boys do not like to study.
So now when we will start our discussion, you're going to fight for this point very strongly. Okay, Summer?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
can I also?
Yes, Afraz?
Ma'am, many of the boys come late to the class while ma'am, all the girls are punctual to come to the class.
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta, you can't. Okay, that is what you are saying to win your debate. But on it, I'm sure Samar and Afraz will have their this thing to give, their comments to give.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
and
yes.
sometimes boys have some network issues, so that's why some boys do not attend classes on time.
But ma'am, girls also can have network issue.
Very good point.
Yes,
And
ma'am,
then
Network
the
issue
boys
will
are
not come by
and
seeing the
then
gender.
sometimes girls also join late due
Yes,
to
ma'am.
network issue. Ma'am, but some of the boys are not having network issue. Then also they are not punctual to the class, ma'am.
Yes, definitely. I agree. But there are boys like Divyanshu, Samar, and Om who are very punctual, who come before girls to the class.
Ma'am, but I'm talking about
Yes,
the
ma'am, you
students
are
that
right.
are not having the network problems, but also they attend. But ma'am, not having the network issues, but ma'am, they also attend the class late.
Yes. And similarly,
And ma'am,
yes.
and ma'am, sometimes some boys have network issues. Then also they join the class. But ma'am, girls sometimes if they are having some network issue, then they do not attend.
Yes,
Ma'am,
definitely.
when I'm traveling, ma'am, then also I used to attend.
Yes, ma'am. When I go to my nanny's house, then also I have attended your class and all the classes.
Yes. So you mean to say that girls are more sincere than boys? Now see, when we come to sincerity, Samar, do you think girls are more sincere? See your own class environment and tell. What will you say, Samar?
Ma'am, I think that some boys are foolish.
Some girls are foolish. So you have to give a very
No,
strong
boys.
point. Some boys are foolish.
Ma'am,
Okay.
boys.
Boys are foolish. And girls are smart? Girls are intelligent? No or yes? Yes, they are intelligent. So he gives up. He makes the girls win in the class. Yes? So Samar,
But
do you
ma'am-
say that girls win this debate?
But ma'am,
Yes,
some
ma'am.
boys can do, girls cannot.
Some boys can.
But ma'am, some works boys can do, or ma'am,
Okay,
girls
like
can.
what? Like what kind of work are you talking about, Afraz?
Ma'am, my sport which I do, taekwondo, girls cannot do.
And
Why?
ma'am, play
Because
like football. Ma'am, play
Ma'am,
football.
see,
Girls
I
cannot
want
play
to go to
football.
taekwondo classes.
Ma'am, there are so many girls
Yes,
that
ma'am.
that attended taekwondo classes, ma'am. And ma'am, if girls want, they can do anything that boys can do. But
yes,
girls cannot play football.
girls cannot play football. Why? Their feet are not strong.
Ma'am, nowadays there are many teams of girls to play football, ma'am.
Yes. Why do you feel, Afraz, that girls can't play football?
Ma'am, but ma'am, in our school, ma'am, nobody play football, girls. And ma'am, one most good thing that ma'am, girls can cook food, but ma'am, the man cannot, because now if there is a what we say that now, ladai in English.
Fight.
Yes, ma'am. Fight. Ma'am, there is any fight between girl or a boy. So, ma'am, if girl know to how to cook and ma'am boys don't know, so only girl can cook the food.
Okay, so you mean to say in that case, the boy will be
No, ma'am,
hungry.
boys can also cook.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, boys can also cook if they want.
Yes, boys can also cook. Now we have such famous chefs all around the world. They are men. Mostly in restaurant, we have.
Ma'am, on YouTube there is a
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am on YouTube there is a channel Cooking Shooking Hindi. Ma'am, I used to
Yes.
watch only that video.
Yes. So
Ma'am,
we
he is a
can see.
very that. Ma'am, he is
So we can't base cooking to any gender, right? Girls can also cook and boys can also
a very great.
cook. It can't be gender based. Okay. Any other point that you want to bring forward? Adrika, you have not come up with any strong point. Why do you feel girls are smarter than boys? No, you can't think, Adrika, of any other point?
Ma'am, because girls and boys are equal to do everything which they want.
Yes. So we come up to this conclusion that boys and girls are equal. Nobody is above anyone. We both go hand in hand or shoulder to shoulder. They are equal. and we should rather be each other's support in life, whether it is your friend who is a boy or a girl.
But
Fine?
ma'am,
Yes, Afraz?
but ma'am, girls cannot do house painting.
Funny thing about
Girl,
girls.
okay, wait. Afraz, what are you saying? Girls cannot do
House painting, ma'am.
house painting. Okay. If you want to paint your house,
Ma'am.
okay.
who is
Who
Ma'am,
is?
nowadays in America, they are famous. Ma'am, in America, Australia, ma'am, in outer countries, there are many girl painters. They are famous,
Yes.
ma'am.
Family members only paint their houses.
Yes,
Men,
ma'am.
the man and woman of the house only do the whitewash and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think Afraz cannot give any hard, strong sentence.
Any
Yes,
other
ma'am,
thing
I was telling one funny thing about Pratishta.
about whom? About your sister.
Ma'am, Pratishta. Ma'am, Pratishta.
Pratishtha, what funny thing?
Ma'am, after when our school gets over, ma'am, when our school were opened, and ma'am, then school gets over, then ma'am, Pratishta and Arushi, ma'am, she is friend of Pratishta. So ma'am, they both came outside in the playground and they decided to catch me. But ma'am, sometimes they cannot catch me.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Only 1 or 2 times, ma'am. We both have did it, ma'am. After that, we didn't do it, ma'am.
Okay, so you tried to chase Summer, but you could not do it, according to Summer.
Ma'am, we only play.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, like playing and chasing is also that same thing.
Ma'am, we don't chase boys. Ma'am, we are not a bad girls.
No, I didn't mean that chase, beta. Why are you taking it wrong? Like what the game is Pakdan Pakdai, right? You call it that in Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
So the Pakdan Pakdai
you are right.
is chasing only. It's not in the
Yes,
bad
ma'am,
sense.
Pakdan is about chasing only.
Yes, you can even chase a girl. So what is wrong in it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I used to catch both Pratishta and Arushi, but they cannot catch me sometimes.
Okay, so you mean to say that you used to run fast, but they did not used to run as fast.
And ma'am, girls cannot ride fast, but ma'am, boys can ride.
Summer, do you know PT Usha is also a girl?
PT Usha?
PT Usha, who is
Yes,
PT
ma'am.
Usha?
Yes, ma'am.
So how can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
say this thing? Girls can't run fast. Can you say?
And ma'am, in every
Ma'am, but we are talking about our classmate girls.
No, we are talking about general. This is a general
when
topic.
we were in 3rd class, ma'am, Mehak Khan, ma'am, she's in 4th also. Ma'am, in every race she is used to be first. Ma'am, she runs so fast.
Now, Summer,
Yes, ma'am.
see, she has given such a good example of your own classmate who
And
used to
ma'am,
run
there
fast.
was a competition in our school of 200 and 400 meters. Ma'am, she have taken in both of them, and ma'am, she come first.
Yes, she came first. Okay, very nice. Now, Summer, girls can run very fast. See, it was a girl who came first. Yes, Adrika, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, in my previous school, ma'am, I also came first in racing.
Yes. So now again, when the school will open and we'll meet each other, we'll have a race and then see who wins. Samar, Pratishtha, Fraz, Akshat, Pratyusha. Who is it? It's a boy or a girl who wins the race.
But ma'am, in football,
Ma'am,
boys
Summer is angry now. Ma'am, Summer is going to think now what he is going to do.
Yes, now Samar is thinking what point can he keep. Okay, Afraz is saying that in our school, no one plays, there are no girls who can play football. But beta, there is no girls team. If you make girls play football, do you think they will not be able to play? There's a girls
Ma'am, I
hockey
think
team.
that
There's a girls
Afras
cricket
cannot.
team. Yes. What?
Ma'am, I think Afras cannot take any strong point.
Ma'am, even
Ma'am, he
girls
is
can
taking the points
cricket
which
now.
girls can also do.
So everything, now we have everything that girls and boys do together. Boys are no less than girls and girls are no less than boys.
But ma'am,
Yes,
girls,
ma'am. Earlier times, men thinks that girls
Weak.
are just foolish and men
No,
are
they
too
used to feel
intelligent.
that girls are weak, but
Yes,
now
ma'am.
times have totally changed. And
Yes, ma'am.
women have started standing up for themselves. They have started being
Yes,
independent and they are no less than men now.
And ma'am, I want to say one point that girls and boys both can do.
What?
Ma'am, wrestling.
Yes, in every sport, whatever sport you name, whatever field you name, everywhere we have girls and boys. Is there any
Ma'am,
field left?
Ma'am, I used to see the videos of Joy Rayan. Ma'am, he used to fight with girls.
Yes.
But ma'am, sometimes girls also beat him very tightly.
Ma'am, there is a wrestler, Ronda Rousey. Ma'am, she is a girl.
Okay. So see, she's a wrestler.
Yes, ma'am.
Everywhere we have men and women in every field. Is there any field left where you see only women or only men?
ma'am.
Just think and tell.
Mary Kom takes her child on her back and then fight.
Yes, yes. She has done this in life. How many of you have watched Mary Kom? The
Ma'am,
movie.
Ma'am, I have.
Yes. All of us have watched the movie. Children, can you hear me? I lost my signals.